Hi, this is Dr. Wooten. I wanted to give you an update on the Interactive Statistics Dictionary. It's become much more than that. I'm calling it the Wooten's Interactive Statistics Experience, or WISE. Name's not solidified yet, but it's a work in progress. So let me show you what I had. Originally, I had started working on the dictionary. Let me go ahead and show you where it is at. So all the definitions are plugged in. I was making it interactive. So if I choose the dictionary and I choose a term, I was adding the interactive terms and a score so that it can show you which words you've already viewed, and I can keep track of where students need help, and then some have graphic explanations. And so what I started to do was look at some old code that I had so that I didn't have to reinvent the wheel, because a lot of the interactive elements I had created in interactive lecture notes when I taught at the university. So let's look at the interactive lecture notes I have already in place. So I have all of these working apps. Let me show you one or two of my favorites. So the ones that I like um, include discrete graphing of the binomial and normal approximation. So if I run this app, it gives you the option of changing how many times the experiment is performed. Let me go ahead and turn off correction for continuity and normal approximation. So if you just have the binomial, it gives you the formula and the computed probabilities, and you can switch it up. You have many options, and you can use normal approximation. As you see, it doesn't completely cover the blocks, and so if we correct for continuity, all of the formulas are given and created in an interactive user interface. Alright, let's look at what I'm creating now. So I have all of these apps. I decided let's create something more than just a dictionary. I'm working on WISE. Alright, so for right now, all it asks for is your user name, and it's not even plugged in because I got tired of plugging in my name every time, so I unplugged it. So we do have the dictionary, which has the interactive elements as well as notation and comments off to the side. And then the probability distributions, you just saw one of them. They haven't been plugged into this app yet, but the interactive notes is what I was working on. And so if you look, we have here the several categories: statistical literacy, probability, hypothesis testing, confidence intervals, sample size, correlation, and regression. This can be extended to those topics included in Intro to Stats too. So the language and art of statistics, what is statistics? And so if you look here, we have the definitions. So you can choose which ones you want to discuss at any given time, as well as how information and data and knowledge are what our goals are. And then you can click through these menus, and as you see, a lot of them are not plugged in yet. But that's what I'm working on. There are also badges that can be earned as you go through the categories in the interactive notes. That's all I got for you. Have a great day. See you next time. Bye.